Want to start speaking Ukrainian today without drowning in complicated grammar books? You are exactly in the right place. In this video, I'm going to give you the most important words you need for your first conversations, the essential pronouns. By the end of this video, you'll be building basic sentences and will take a huge step forward in your Ukrainian journey. Let's get started. Починаємо. So, what's a pronoun? In brief, it's a word that replaces a noun. For example, instead of saying John is here, we say he is here. Instead of saying Sarah wants coffee, we say she wants coffee. In Ukrainian, they are called особові займенники, and mastering them is your first step towards speaking confidently. We are going to focus on the 8 most important ones. We'll go through them one by one with clear pronunciations and practical examples you can actually use today. Let's start with 2 most important people in any conversation: you and the person you are talking to. The first word is я. It means I. Let's say together. Я. Perfect. Now let's use it. A super useful phrase is I am here. In Ukrainian, it's incredibly simple because we often drop the verb to be in present simple. To learn more about the verb to be, check the video about it on my channel. Let's continue. I am here becomes я тут. Let's try that. Я тут. Another amazing sentence is I want. The word for want here is хочу. To say I want coffee, we say я хочу кави. To say I want water, я хочу води. You can replace these words like coffee, water with any other word. The next essential pronoun is ти. It means you in a singular informal way. You use it with friends, family, and people your own age. Let's say it slowly. Ти. And now let's put it into question. To ask, are you here? You just say ти тут. Notice how the intonation goes up, just like in English. Let's practice. Ти тут. How about asking, are you reading? Ти читаєш? That one's a bit longer, but a core is still ти. You've now learned how to talk about yourself and to talk directly to a friend. Alright, let's talk about other people. First one is he, which in Ukrainian is він. Let's say it. Він. Now in a sentence. He is working. Він працює. See, the simple sentence structure stays the same. Next is she, which is вона. Let's pronounce together. Вона. Let's use our simple sentence from before. She is here. Вона тут. Let's try another one. She works at home. Вона працює вдома. The third pronoun in this group is воно, which means it. Let's try together. Воно. In Ukrainian, every noun has a gender, masculine, feminine, or neuter. To learn more about genders, check the video on my channel about them. Воно is used for neuter nouns. For now, just know this pronoun exists. You'll use він and вона way more often when you are starting out, especially since animals are often referred as he or she, not it. And just like that, we are more than halfway through. Now let's learn how to talk about groups. First, we. In Ukrainian, it's ми. Let's say it. Ми. Let's imagine we are all in the park. We would say ми в парку. Now, one of the most important pronouns, ви. This word does double duty. It means you when you are talking to a group of people, like you all. It also means you when you are talking to one person formally, to a boss, a teacher, a person you don't know, an elder. Let's try a very common and polite question. Ви говорите українською? Do you speak Ukrainian? This is a perfect way to ask a stranger this question. Let's talk about they. The word is вони. Let's try again. Вони. A simple sentence, they are playing football. Вони грають у футбол. One more time. Вони грають у футбол. And here you have it. The 8 essential pronouns. Я, ти, він, вона, воно, ми, ви, вони. You now have the keys to build thousands of sentences. Let's pause for a crucial cultural lesson. Understanding the difference between ти and ви, it's not just about grammar, it's about showing respect. As we learned, ти is the informal you. You use it with friends, close colleagues, family members, children, and people much younger than you. Ви is the formal and plural you. You use it when speaking to one person you don't know, someone older than you, sometimes parents as well, a person in a position of authority like a teacher, a doctor, a boss, a group of 2 or more people no matter how well you know them. If you have doubts, always start with ви. It is the safe, polite and respectful choice. Also a small but important cultural tip. When writing formally, like in an email, it's common to capitalize ви to show extra respect. Now I wanna show how these pronouns can change so you aren't surprised when you hear it. Sometimes a pronoun is the object of the sentence. In English we say he sees me, not he see I. The pronoun I changed to me. Ukrainian does the exact same thing. So я, which is I, becomes мене when it means me. For example, він бачить мене. He sees me. And ти, which is you, becomes тебе. Я бачу тебе. I see you. You don't need to memorize this right now. When you hear тебе or мене in the conversation, your brain will have a little hook to hang this info on. You'll think, oh, that's a version of I or you. That's all you need for now. If you found this lesson helpful and it made Ukrainian feel a little less scary, please give the video a like and subscribe for more easy, practical Ukrainian lessons. Your support helps me to create more content for you. Thanks so much for joining me. See you soon. Па-па!